Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the latest updates and features in your favorite apps. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on syncing in Gmail on your PC with the new update. This feature ensures that your emails are always up to date, making it easier for you to stay connected and manage your inbox efficiently. First things first, open a web browser of your choice and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that you can access all of Gmail's features. Once Gmail loads, look at the address bar at the top of your browser window. You'll see a small icon next to the web address. It looks like a lock or an information symbol. Click on this icon. It will give you access to important site settings related to Gmail. After clicking on this icon, select Site Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a new page where various permissions and settings are listed. Now, scroll down through these options until you find Background Sync. This setting is crucial because it allows Gmail to keep updating even when you're not actively using it, ensuring that all new emails are synced automatically, without needing manual intervention. To enable background sync, simply toggle this option by clicking on it until it turns blue or shows as enabled. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned on syncing for Gmail on your PC. This feature is particularly useful if you use multiple devices or need constant access to updated email content without having to manually refresh every time. It helps streamline communication by ensuring that any changes made across different platforms reflect instantly in real time. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped simplify managing your email experience with Gmail's latest updates, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips coming soon.